all, today I am going to talk about a famous personality and also known as the father of the astronomy. He is Aryabhatta. Everyone here in their life have heard his name even once because we named our first Indian satellite on his name. I am going to walk you all through his life today. Aryabhatta was born in 476 century in a village called Patliputra in Magadha, currently called as Patna in Bihar. And he was born to Sri Bandhu Bapu Atwala and Srimati Honsabai Atwala. He is the man who invented zero and helped the world solving many issues. Aryabhatta went to Kusumapur for advanced studies and lived there. He studied both Hindu as well as Buddhist tradition there. It is believed that Aryabhatta might have been the head of Nalanda University in astronomy. Notice the symbols on the screen. These are the numbers which are created by the Aryabhatta after the invention of zero. One of the most notable work of Aryabhatta is Aryabhattaya. The text is written in Sanskrit and divided into 4 sections, covering a total of 121 verses that describe different resulting using a mnemonic style, typically for such work in India. The Aryabhatta begins with an introduction called Dasagita. This begins by paying tribute of Brahman. Most of the mathematics is contained in the next part, the Ganitabata. The next section is Kalakriya. In it, he divides up days, months, and years according to the movement of celestial bodies. In the final section, the Gola, Aryabhatta goes into a great detailed description the celestial relationship between the earth and the cosmos. The great inventions of Aryabhatta are algebra, invention of zero, eclipse, trigonometry, and etc. Algebra. We all knew it is a lesson. In Aryabhattaya, algebra provides elegant results for summation of series of squares and cubes. For example, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The invention and importance of zero. Aryabhatta made the symbol zero, which made him immortal. The symbol zero is probably the most important invention in maths. Without zero, the world would never move forward. In this case, he secured many people from superstitions that the sun and the moon are eaten by a snake. But he said that solar and lunar eclipses were scientifically explained by Aryabhatta. He stated that moon and planets shine because of reflected sunlight instead of the prevailing cosmogony in which eclipses were caused by Rahu and Ketu. This image explains solar eclipse as shadow cast by moon on the earth. The person who stands on his words by his calculation saying that earth is spherical in shape. Trigonometry. In Ganitapada 6, Aryabhatta gives the area of triangle as Tribhujangasya Phalashariram Samadhalakoti Bhujapesham Varga, that translate to for a triangle. The result of a perpendicular with the half side is the area. Aryabhatta discussed the concept of sine in his work by the name of Ardhajaya, which literally means half court. Pi 3.14 or 22 by 7 is invented to find the value of circle's area and circumference. Indeterminate equations. Aryabhatta solved such type of problems in certain method called Kutak methods. It means breaking into small pieces, and the method involves a recursive algorithm. These are famous and primary inventions of Aryabhatta. Hope this session is useful, and I believe you will continue the research on Aryabhatta to inspire and enlighten your skills.